Hi Shimmy Shakers, if you want to learn how to do your stomach vacuum, then this is a beautiful move. Great for your health and also beautiful for your belly dancing. This move, it's all about our diaphragm. So our diaphragm is our muscle that sits underneath our ribs, at the bottom of the ribs, and it expands as we breathe in and releases as we breathe out. So we're using the control through the diaphragm. You'll feel it through here. And as you do the move, I want you to watch in particular two spots. Here, just where your ribs meet, underneath the sternum, and also here. So you'll see, once you do the move, you'll see a little gap coming here, like a little hollow through your neck, but you'll also see it come in. Often when people first start, they hold in, but that's not through here. You can see through here is the same and through here is the same. So that's how to tell if you have done it properly. To start, we breathe out. We want to let all of our air out through our lungs, and then we're going to lift up through our diaphragm. Breathing out, you want to make sure your lungs are empty. And release. The parts I was pointing to, they will show you that you are doing it properly. So if you just hold in your stomach, you'll see your stomach goes in, but you won't have here going in. To have here going in, you have to lift that diaphragm up and under. It's almost like it tucks under your ribs. And also you'll see it in your neck, this part becomes hollow. Let's do it together now. I can't talk while I do it because I have to stop breathing. That's the important thing too. You breathe out, let everything out, hold your breath, and then try and lift it up. Let's go together. So breathing out, letting all the air out. And release. Nice work. Let's do it one more time, and I want you to really focus on this part here of your neck and also here. You can also touch this part here if it helps. Two ways to think of it. Some people find it's easier to think of it as if the diaphragm is lifting up, or the muscle under here is lifting up. I find it easier to think of it tucking under the ribs. So either lifting up or tucking under the ribs, whatever helps you get it. Okay, ready? Breathing out. And release. One other thing to remember when you're doing this one, if you release and you take a breath out straight away, that means that you weren't holding your breath while you were doing it. You want to try and hold your breath so no more air gets in, because if your air gets in, yes, the diaphragm is going to expand. So to keep it tucked under, we want to try and keep all the air out. So I hope you like that move. Let me know in the comments. It is a tricky one. I know with my students, we have been doing it in our classes, and some people, they get it straight away, but most it takes a long time to get. But as soon as you've got it, you'll have it in your muscle memory. So just persevere. As I said, it's really, really good for you. Happy dancing. Let me know how you go with this one, and I'll see you soon. Bye.